Right guys, so there's a new method for custom nuances on your Fire TV devices. As you can see, I'm on my Fire Stick home screen, full of adverts as you know, but look what happens when I press the play button on my remote. It redirects me to my custom nuances, folks, so that I don't see any sponsored content. I can customize this the way how I like it. To me, this is so much better looking than the stock Amazon nuances, folks. So if you want to know how to do this new method on your Fire device, let's get into it. So I do believe you need to be running Fire OS 7 to do this. I don't think you can do this on devices that are below Fire OS 7. But there's no harm in trying. Right from your home screen, you just go to your settings, push down to My Fire TV, click on developer options. If you do not see them, just tap up to about. Where it says your device model, you want to tap it 7 times till it says no need, you're already a developer. Then push the back button on your remote, go into developer options, turn on ADB debugger, and for downloader, install unknown apps and make sure it's on. Then push the home button, find the downloader application. If you haven't got it installed, you can install it for free in the Amazon App Store. Right, so once in downloader, you want to tap up to the URL bar, click, and then we need to type this code right here, A26476. So make sure you type that correctly. Once you typed that in, click on go. Now we'll redirect you to my APK store. Once in here, we need to scroll down to the section called nuances. So there, and we need to install these top 2 applications: Accessibility Monitor and Button Mapper. So move your mouse over Accessibility Monitor, click on it, and that will download the Accessibility Monitor. Click on install, click done. Then we need to delete the APK file, otherwise we're gonna lose storage on our device. So click delete again. Then the same thing for Button Mapper. Click install, done. Delete the APK file. Now if you haven't already, you can install a custom nuancer from in here. So pick a nuancer, install it on your device. Once you've done that, press the home button. Now we need to open up the Accessibility Monitor. So go into your apps, find the Accessibility Monitor and open it up. we need to enable USB debugging, so tick in the box where it says always enable from this computer, click OK. Once in there, we need to enable accessibility service by toggling the switch, and then we need to tick button mapper. Then click on save, and now we've granted permission to run button mapper. So let's open up button mapper. And it's worth mentioning that you can't remap the home button from in here, guys. Yes, I have tried it and the home button doesn't work, so you will need to remap another button. I did twice going for the menu or the play button, so I'm gonna do the play button actually. So let's scroll down to add buttons, click on add buttons, then we need to press the button we want to remap. So in my instance it's the play button. So once we've done that, you'll see this, go into it, click on no thanks, and then you need to toggle the switch where it says customize, and we can customize it. We can either do single tap, double tap, non-press. Let's do single tap, and then we choose the swap down, and then we choose applications, and within here we find our custom launcher, and that's it, folks. So if I now press the play button, it will redirect me to my custom launcher, and this works in any application. If I were to open up the downloader application, as long as I don't hit the home button and press the play button, I'd be redirected to my custom launcher. And if I want to go back to my original home screen, just tap the home button. I can go into the settings, do what I need to do, then press the play button to go back to my custom launcher. So I hope this tutorial helped some of you who's looking to make the custom launchers work on their Fire TV devices. And if it did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.